So I tried a bunch of different phone mounts that mount either over here, or on the vents. But now I'm going to try this new one, and this is going to be by LISEN. And the reason I got this one is because you can actually maneuver it even more. So I can actually put it kind of like this, or even like this, because I don't like it being on the windshield too much, and my vents aren't exactly the best. Now this LISEN does come with this option, and then you also do get another one to put in the vents, but I'm just opting for this one. And then there's some other pieces too, like the actual mount that sticks on the back of your phone, as well as the USB-C charger. And then there's some other things. If you don't have an iPhone, you don't have MagSafe, then you can connect it to the back of your phone. But since this already has MagSafe, I don't really need any of that. This just sticks on just like so, and then it rotates. So first up, let me start by taking these out and then just sticking them on top of here, just like that. And now I want to stick it in between here and here. And the reason that I want to do it just on top is because this isn't exactly flat. It's a little bit curved. That's why I never like putting things on top. It would always loosen up. So this here should give it some extra grip. And let me just curve it a little bit, just like that, and then curve this one. And I think that should be nice and secure. There, I'm pushing it as down as possible. Yeah, that feels pretty tight. And now the next step is to install this mount. So make sure this is loosened up, and then this can just stick right on top. Oh, I really have to loosen it a lot for this to go in. All right, there, that's good. And as you can see, this can maneuver like so. And now I can tighten it. Now I'm not going to tighten it all the way because I do want to make sure this is facing this way. So now I can put my phone over here. And there, now it's facing more towards me. And as you notice, I did move it quite a lot. This thing can actually move here, but you do need like, yeah, oh wow. Oh wow, yeah, you do need some force for that, but at least I was able to get the right angle. So let me tighten it some more. There, just like that. Now that's the perfect angle. Now the last thing to do is just to attach the USB-C cable down here. Now I have one of these, and I was thinking of just putting it just like that, but these cables can also be used for something else. So I'll just connect it with this. All right, so I can connect this right here, and then this to the bottom right over there, and there. Now it's ready to be used. And now let me just fasten this a little bit nicer so it's not dangling too much. All right, so I tied it up with that same tie so it looks a lot neater. This isn't dangling too much. It doesn't have too much slack. And now my phone can be placed just like so. And as you can see, I could rotate it around. Now, I actually do have to twist this a little bit. So now, yeah, now I can rotate a little bit more freely. And keep in mind, this does have a case. It's an OtterBox. It's still able to go through it, still able to stick on it. And I can even turn on the car. Give it a few seconds. And there, it starts charging immediately. But yeah, that's a quick look at the LISEN MagSafe Car Charger.